So this is 13 Mearsdale Park in Moffat. As we go into the property, we can see the property is empty and ready for its next tenant. This is a 2-bedroom semi-detached property with gardens to the front and rear. And it's a good spacious, bright living room. As we move through into the kitchen dining room, we can point out it has gas hob, electric oven with an extractor. There is plumbing here for a washing machine. We have stainless steel sink. And as we turn round, we have the dining area and views to the rear garden. We'll move through the internal of the property first, and then we'll have a look at the garden space. So from the entrance hall, we can move up the stairs, and we're met by the bathroom. It's a good family bathroom. We have shower over, tile splashbacks, and all decorated, ready for its next tenants. The bedroom to the front. As you can see, we have fitted wardrobes, which are freestanding but staying with the property. And we also have this storage cupboard here as well, which currently houses a shelved unit. Just to stop and admire the views to the front here. Beautiful rolling hills and countryside surrounding Moffat. The area itself is only a few minutes from the M74 motorway, giving access north and south. We'll move through to the back of the property now. Again, we have a freestanding wardrobe that is with the property. This is a double bedroom to the rear. We'll now move down the stairs now into the back garden so you can get a sense of the space and privacy that is available. So back through the lounge, to the kitchen dining room. Just before we leave the property is fully alarmed for that added benefit, security and peace of mind. The other side, low maintenance area with raised beds. Wheelie bins are stored to the rear. We have an outbuilding shed. I apologise if the wind is being picked up in the video. To the rear garden we have a rear patio area, and as we turn round you can see there is a lawn area, and again low maintenance, surrounded by shrubs, trees and bushes, nicely fenced in for privacy. If you wish to view the property, you can contact Dumfries in Galloway and Southwest Scotland, along with Carlisle Lettings. The number is 01387 245 898. We're pleased to hear from you. We're taking applications now, and viewings are available very shortly.